By now, you've probably heard of vaccine passports. It's an app or document that shows proof of a COVID-19 vaccination before doing things like travel or going to a concert. Now, 2 states have banned them, calling it an overreach. Gil Sofer, ABC7 legal analyst, is with us live. Gil, always good to see you. He's going to help us sort through this. We'll jump right in. The White House said, Gil, that the federal government won't mandate those passports. Could Governor Pritzker do it here in Illinois, though, on a state level?
He probably can, and his authority goes all the way back to a 1905 Supreme Court case, which says that states can require vaccinations on penalty of payment of a fine for the good of the public health.
Well, we'll see where that goes. Private businesses. Is there a different story there? If so, how so?
It's a little different. With respect to private businesses, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the EEOC, has set out very clear guidance. It says that businesses can require vaccinations, but it has to make certain accommodations. If you have a sincerely held religious belief, if you have a medical condition which complicates your getting a vaccine, then the business has to make accommodations for you and could keep you away from the workplace ultimately.
And does this get a little murky, you think, for the travel and leisure industry when we talk about airlines, cruise ships, hotels?
You know, airlines, cruise ships, hotels, they are already requiring some of them vaccinations or proof of vaccination, or they've made clear that they will. It gets a little murky there because with a cruise ship or with an airline, there are multiple countries that they either fly into or fly out of or are based in. And so they're going to have to be attentive to the laws potentially in multiple states, multiple countries.
Yeah, and then want to bring it back home, what about schools? And many public schools already require vaccinations.
Schools do. We've had required vaccinations for very serious illnesses for some time. They have the right to require vaccinations here, too. It doesn't mean that they will. There's a lot of controversy around it, but they should have the authority to do it.
So if someone does not want the vaccine, but that person still wants to work, still wants to travel, still wants to go to a theater, any recourse at all?
And they have some arguments that they can make. They have to go to court, and they'd have to argue that this is unreasonable or arbitrary because, let's say, the vaccine has only emergency use authorization. It doesn't have the full-blown approval after 2 years of testing that the FDA usually requires. They can make the argument that they don't have a cell phone or they don't have access to whatever device might be necessary to prove vaccination. They can make those arguments. I don't think they would ultimately prevail.
Gil Sofer, it's going to be interesting to watch as this rolls out, especially in the months ahead. ABC7 legal analyst, good to see you. Appreciate your time.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.